This beguiling 8-day itinerary showcases some of the Danube River's favorite cities, plus legendary landscapes along the way. Your journey begins with an overnight in Budapest, Hungary. Known as the Paris of the East, the impressive architecture and culture are sure to draw you in. Next up, Vienna, Austria's capital, and its fascinating cultural treasures, where you'll enjoy another overnight stay. Then it's on to Getaway Abbey, a Viking exclusive, where monks work and worship just as they have for more than 900 years. You'll sail on to Enchanting, Passau, Germany, a quaint town that in ancient times was once a Roman colony. Your Viking journey concludes with an overnight in charming Regensburg, giving you plenty of time to explore the heart of its medieval city centre, a UNESCO World Heritage Site.